Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Sisaphezu kwayo indaba ye-uthando nesithembu. We can see here this is happening next week guys, and we can see here Umseleko is celebrating his 50th birthday. Mafika lapha muhle uswenkile nkosi yami ubaba. Mafika nje like abantu bagezile bahle nje. Mathi uyangena lapho, hayi nkosi yami, abongwe amethe ambongazi nkosi yami, abongwe nobabakhe nkosi yami. Uyazithandela nkosi yami abongwe. She is even saying one is the smooth operator's birthday. Ngoba lapho bahle nje bonke, hayi kugeziwe, abantu bafaka amasudu, kufaka amazaza, matching the outfits nje, hayi uyabona nje ukubana hayi it's a proper celebration. You can see uMayeni, she's there with her kids, all dolled up, looking beautiful in all black. We can see Abosne, Abompilo, like every child is there. But now uMakhumalo is nowhere to be found. Uyaciwa uMakhumalo, she is nowhere to be. Guys, this is next week guys, and it's not something that happened yet. It will be happening next week. Siyambona nkosi yami noNdlunkulu uMacele la, hayi she's looking beautiful in a mint green dress. Hayi ugezile untombo phela, she is representing nyani. It's looking all beautiful. You can see noSine nkosi yami nangiyami khona nje naye uyithobile nje, but you can see all of them nje, they still look a bit concerned about Umseleko ngoba Umseleko is not hundreds guys, and he is not hundreds, and he feels very sad ukubana uMakhumalo is not there, and uyasho ukubana he feels disappointed ukubana when he does something big like this, he expects all his wife to be there no matter whatever that is happening. We can see Umpilo lana trying to get hold of uMakhumalo. She is not picking up. She's not picking up anyone's call. You can see nkosi yami akasemhle umnini, nkosi yami akasemhle. Uthe uthi uyakhuluma uBoy nkosi yami, I would like to extend a special thanks to my dad. Wavese wahlaba umkhosi nkosi yami, wavese waqala ukukhala umnini nkosi yami, wakhala nkosi yami, kwaze kwazwela kuma wakhe uMayeni aze ashada nkosi yami. Mnini wakhala umnini ke, his brothers uMpumelelo and uAbong had to go and comfort him asestagini nkosi yami. Wakhala uBoy wakhala nkosi yami, washo nje ukuthi hayi akayithandi lento leyo ukuthi utatakhe uyagula. Yo guys, Umseleko is not well. You can see as young as umnini as he is, he still sees ukubana my dad is not okay. Nkosi yami naye Umseleko waqala ukukhala, like he's been emotionally not well. Hey, this is all next week guys, in recap ya next week. Wait for the full episode of next week. Guys. You can see here umnini saying bana it isn't nice seeing utatami agula. Nkosi yami, like kuyazwela kuwo wonke umuntu, kuyazwela umdala omncane, abongwe, mnini, uMacele nje, kuzwela kuwo wonke umuntu. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.